In Content Server Smart View, you can control what users see when they open a wiki by setting or removing a main page, or by using the Overview page. If your wiki has 2 or more pages and you don't set a main page, the wiki opens to the Overview page, which shows a list of pages in the wiki. To set a main page, go to the page that you want to use. Then, click Show More and click Set as Main Page. Now when you open this wiki, it opens directly to the main page. To remove the main page, click Unset as Main Page. Now if you delete this page, the wiki will have a single page. Wikis with only one page do not use an overview page, but open straight to the one page. Thank you for watching.